Hey, hello, boys and girls. So, important announcements for all the levels of CMA. Please watch the video till very last. First of all, in this video, I'm going to address CMA Foundation student and then I'll be addressing intern and final students. This video is going to directly impact you. So, please make sure that this video is being shared by you in all the WhatsApp and Telegram group so that it reaches maximum students of CMA fraternity. And let me tell you, when I ask you to share, it is not for my benefit, it is for the benefit of the students, because ultimately you also know that you are tuned to the channel not because of these announcement videos but because of the educational quality enriched videos that I provide you. I just love to serve you with my quality, with my educational video, and in the coming 1 month or 2 months you will be finding bulk of the videos and marathons and revision test paper and MTPs coming your way free of cost on YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Okay, entire CMA fraternity, stay tuned. Press the like button, press the subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, now, what is the announcement, sir? First of all, for the foundation students, the date sheet is out. Your exams are going to be held on 2nd of January, Sunday. Sir, only one day? Yes, previously also all the foundation exams were conducted on a single day, and this time also your examination will be held on a single day, that is 2nd of January. Okay, 10 a.m. to 12 noon, paper 1 and paper 2. So, both the papers are only 50 MCQs of paper 1, 50 MCQs of paper 2, which means only 100 MCQs of 2 hours. And paper 3 and 4, again 50 MCQs of 2 marks each. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 12 noon and then 2 hours break, then 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Sunday, right? Very interestingly, this MCQ exam is online exam, obviously from home. So when already the centers are available for the inter and final, I doubt that why for the foundation examination the institute is conducting from home. It could have been conducted from the center also. But still, foundation students can give the exam from home. Institute has decided foundation exams can be conducted from using your mobile, laptop, desktop from their home only. Okay. And let me tell you, the last date of submitting the application form is 2nd of November. Last date of submitting application form is 2nd of November. This is the important thing. Okay. And rest notification you can read yourself, nothing hi-fi. The only thing was 2nd of November is the last date of submitting the examination form. Okay, stay tuned, foundation students. Lot of marathon videos are going to come. Now for the inter and final students. Achha, foundation students, there is a Google form in the description box. Please fill it. Now for the intermediate and final level students, let me tell you, intermediate and final level students, serious talk. Please listen to it. Already, one of the students forwarded me the tweet of one of the CCMs that mentioned that the cutoff times might be wait for the notification of CM Institute. Cutoff times might be done away with. The cutoff time, sectional cutoff time might be done away with. Okay, and I'm not sure about the authenticity of the tweet because it was forwarded to me by the student. But I would again like to request that all the announcements should be made in a formalized manner. And let me tell you one more thing. That I had requested the institute to come out with the reasons that what were the unavoidable circumstances because of which the October exam had to be cancelled. I'm not making publicly too many videos on it, because I don't want my students to feel disturbed or get distracted. But I am pursuing it very, very aggressively. Okay. I had called the president also. I had called the other CCM members also. I had a talk with the examination department committee head also. And I'm trying to find out the exact reason why the October exams got cancelled, because it was totally unjustified and unjust. Okay. And the students have to be given an explanation regarding that, and they have to be assured that the same thing will never ever be repeated in future. So I am aggressively pursuing it. Okay, as soon as I get the reason, I'll communicate it to you. But I would again like to request with the folded hands to all the great dignitaries that please clarify formally that what led to the cancellation of the October exams. And if such uncertainties are prevailing, it's better that the intermediate and final examination should be shifted to the offline mode again. But again, I would also request the students to please continue with their preparations, and I'm always there with you till my last breath, trust me. Okay, I'll be helping you in every possible mean that I can. But you also need to remember that I am not the institute, I am not taking the shots, I am not taking the calls, I am not the powerhouse. You need to understand that. Thank you, and stay connected with the channel. Lots of marathon videos and lots of content, quality enriched content coming on your way. So stay tuned to the channel for all the revisionary videos and all the revisionary marathons that are coming your way. CM inter and final students. Lots of love. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Share this video with as many as you can. Bye.